my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Bonga people, you get one video where one of my followers just sent to me now, and I say, not the way Musa no go see forget my people. Since they happen, no. Hey, my people, no. My people, una need to see this video. Una need to see. I'm like, not be done with the third person for months. My people, I did jeje. Now I see one of my followers send me video. Now I say, okay, make I watch. As I see, I shocked her lies 10 times. But I will say, I shocked her lies. More I can't see where native daughter they fear few. A girl go native daughter place. Go shrine me na shrine that they jogodo. For shrine. That the jogodo not be small. The jogodo not get part 2. The jogodo for inside shrine native daughter now. With the native daughter clothes. He just put mat for the girl. Because they fear am. They fear am. I was like, am I dreaming here? Like seriously? In fact, the one way is the egg do that then a small one. If una watch this one, I go shock her lies 10 times. My people, he says now be say, guess where they come that much time. He just the jogo do all of them. Hey, I said not the way Musa no go see forget. This social media will come soon. Una go see, una go tire. Una go shock her lies. I felt the year and say people, if people go native daughter place, go find out what they happen to them and number for them. Say all those native daughter always the jogo do them. I didn't say na lie. Oh. But when I see this one, I shocked her lies. I say, what am I dreaming here? My people. Now wow, they say not the way Musa no go see forget. Things they happen, oh. Things they happen like seriously, my people. Things they happen. Native daughter. Now I can see go the jogodo woman so native daughter. For his shrine, he just sit down, he just carry the woman like down, begin the jogodo the girl. If I say the girl, say the thief fed the hungry am too. I not be only that one can shocktalize me. He match when he come put for the bekus. Now that one I can't even shocktalize me pass. He put in match, he put her for bekus. This man they jogo, they fear the bekus not be small. He put his tongue inside the bekus. I say, native daughter. Hey, who the Agba local government will hear this one? Not the way person not go see for social media. Oh, my people. Anybody wey need the video, if you private chat me, I will send the video for Namona, no worry. Because the thing he shocked, the thing surprised me. Say native daughter again, now can they do this one? Oh. This one not be my people. My people. Una, if una see video, una go shock lies. Una go. This one not be say na drama. This one there, two of them, their body they ground. Hey. Who called the one way they surprise me now? Be saying now the video they have safe or now somebody video them because the thing they shockalize me. I don't know where those people for they see all those kind of video. Now somebody set camera for them because the thing was so clear. Now be say what did they hide the video? This one just too day clear like the thing it just too day clear. Native daughter. The jogo don't get for his tribe. That kind of native daughter not be deceived because they deceive people. Oh no, that fear few ne. I don't want to do charm we go come work for person. When they don't use the mat, stay fear, and that mat go take the lie. They don't use the mat. I think say people go they say, I'm a traditional man. I cannot be. I'm not gonna put my mat for bekus. I'm a traditional man for Europe. Yeah, the year on. This one has shrine, native daughter they fear few. Native daughter he put tongue for bekus. This one has shrine, not be say na even house now. For shrine, now they do this one so. For shrine. For shrine, na they do this one so. The thing, this will not be. Supposing na even house now go dey hear am. For shrine, me na native daughter the jogodo woman. For it as in dey jogodo and e put mat for mekusi. For my people know. There's say nothing wey Musa no go see forget o. Musa don see o, Musa tire. Musa don see o, Musa tire. My people. Things dey this world o. Things dey this world. Things dey this world. Things dey happen. Wetin you never see, you never waka reach there. Things dey happen o. You can imagine a native doctor wey dey do jazz for people. A native doctor wey dey do charm for people. Na him come dey shrine now begin dey jogodo girl. He put mat for, in fact, he not even jogodo like he just put mat for bekus. They fear the girl bekus there for shrine. Oh, Madonna. Nothing when Musa no go see forget. My people, as I see the video, now I say no. I must go share am for my people. May they see with their own eyes. Oh, this one not be waiting that they tell person. May they see there with their koro eyes. The thing go shocktalize them. The thing go surprise them. Say because if na whole video now, they not go naked now. This will not be whole video. This one are as in this one are real. This will not be fake. This will not be fake. This will not be the thing. My people know. Anybody wey need the video, if he private chat me, I go send that for him because the thing is it they surprise me like the thing they surprise me because I never see this kind of thing before. Say native daughter just this shrine begin the jogodo begin the put mat for woman make see for inside shrine where be say they say they want sell for people, they want do jazz for people. Now there now they call the jogodo. So this one now we don't come and now we don't see you. We never see the May. Many days. Now be saying now what did they do? Tomorrow not they go shrine make all those girls see. We just now they look for. This girl now we been a Ronsge. Now Ronsge want go look for jazz. So we want to carry man now. Now the two want to try and first for you can go they give guys for outside. Now wow, my husband get people low. Now the matter where they grand I say make I can't tell you if I not tell you now waiting again. So anybody wey needs if you private shout me, I will drop my number there. You can add me on WhatsApp, then I will send it to you. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye.